Eastern Europe is a region of captivating complexity. It boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the rolling hills of Transylvania to the Baltic Sea's windswept shores, Eastern Europe offers a journey through time. Centuries-old castles stand as silent witnesses to a turbulent past, while vibrant cities pulsate with modern energy. Eastern Europe is a region of contrasts. It is a place where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. It is a region that has witnessed both immense hardship and remarkable resilience. It is this unique blend of history, culture, and human spirit that makes Eastern Europe an unforgettable destination. Eastern Europe's allure lies in its ability to surprise and captivate. It is a region that rewards exploration, inviting travelers to delve deeper into its hidden corners and uncover its hidden gems. Beyond the well-trodden tourist paths lie enchanting villages, pristine landscapes, and a sense of discovery that is increasingly rare in our interconnected world. This journey will guide you to some of Eastern Europe's best-kept secrets. These are places where you can escape the crowds, immerse yourself in local life, and experience the true essence of this captivating region. While cities like Prague, Budapest, and Krakow have become popular tourist destinations, Eastern Europe is also home to a plethora of lesser-known gems. These hidden treasures offer a glimpse into the region's authentic heart and soul. Venturing beyond the well-worn tourist trails allows travelers to connect with local communities, experience unique traditions, and witness a side of Eastern Europe often missed on conventional itineraries. One such hidden gem is the region of Maramureș in northern Romania. Nestled in the Carpathian Mountains, Maramureș is a land of rolling hills, ancient forests, and traditional villages where time seems to stand still. The region is renowned for its wooden churches, some of which are UNESCO World Heritage sites. These churches, with their towering spires and intricate carvings, are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Another off-the-beaten-path destination is the Curonian Spit, a narrow peninsula that stretches for nearly 100 kilometers along the Baltic Sea coast. Divided between Lithuania and Russia, the Curonian Spit is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its unique natural beauty. The spit is characterized by towering sand dunes, dense pine forests, and charming fishing villages. These are just a few examples of the hidden treasures that await travelers in Eastern Europe. By venturing beyond the familiar, you will discover a region of immense beauty, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences. Transylvania, a region steeped in myth and legend, is home to some of Eastern Europe's most enchanting villages. These villages, often nestled in valleys or perched on hillsides, offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. One such village is Viscri, often referred to as the Prince's Village due to its association with Prince Charles of Wales. Viscri is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its well-preserved Saxon architecture and traditional way of life. The village is home to a fortified church, a testament to the region's turbulent past, and colorful houses adorned with intricate wooden carvings. Visitors to Viscri can experience traditional crafts, sample local cuisine, and immerse themselves in the tranquility of rural life. Another captivating village in Transylvania is Birtan, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Birtan is renowned for its fortified church, one of the largest and best preserved in Transylvania. The church, with its massive walls, multiple defense towers, and intricate locking mechanism, served as a refuge for villagers during times of conflict. Today, Birtan offers a glimpse into the region's medieval past and the resilience of its people. These villages, with their cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carts, and traditional hospitality, offer a journey back in time. They are places where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and experience the true essence of rural Transylvania. Latvia, one of the Baltic states, boasts a stunning coastline along the Baltic Sea. While the capital city of Riga attracts its share of visitors, the Latvian coast offers a serene escape from the urban bustle. Picturesque fishing villages, pristine beaches, and a sense of tranquility pervade this scenic stretch of coastline. Jurmala, located just a short distance from Riga, is a popular destination for its long, sandy beaches and charming wooden architecture. The town is known for its spa culture, dating back to the 19th century, and its numerous health resorts. Visitors to Jurmala can enjoy leisurely walks along the beach, indulge in spa treatments, or explore the town's historic center. Further north along the coast lies Kolka, a small village located at the tip of the Cape Kolka. This unique location where the Baltic Sea meets the Gulf of Riga creates a dramatic landscape of shifting sands, crashing waves, and picturesque lighthouses. Kolka is a popular spot for birdwatching as it lies on a major migration route and offers stunning sunsets over the sea. The Latvian coast, with its blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and tranquil atmosphere, provides a refreshing escape from the ordinary. Sighisoara, a UNESCO World Heritage city in Transylvania, Romania, is a captivating medieval gem. This remarkably well-preserved medieval town perched on a hilltop transports visitors back to a bygone era. Its cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and imposing fortified walls create a magical atmosphere. The city's most iconic landmark is the Clock Tower, a 64-meter-high tower that dominates the skyline. The tower, built in the 14th century, houses a museum of history and offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. As you stroll through the narrow streets, you'll encounter numerous other towers, each with its own story to tell. Sighisoara is also known for its connection to Vlad the Impaler, the historical figure who inspired Bram Stoker's Dracula. While the connection to Dracula is more legend than fact, Sighisoara's medieval charm and eerie atmosphere certainly evoke a sense of mystery and intrigue. Visiting Sighisoara is like stepping back in time. Its well-preserved architecture, vibrant cultural life, and captivating history make it an unforgettable destination. Thank you for watching our journey through the unforgettable gems of Eastern Europe. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.